Is your home prepared for wet weather? With an increase in significant wet weather events in recent years, preparing your home is important to mitigate and prevent property damage. One step that can help is installing a backwater prevention system, or BPS. Consisting of a two-way cleanout, a sewer popper, and a backwater valve, a BPS prevents sewage from flowing backwards into your property should there be a blockage in your private sewer lateral or the public sewer main. If you have a BPS installed, check that it is functioning properly. Remove any debris or obstructions. Annual maintenance can ensure your entire backwater prevention system operates properly when needed most. If you don't have a BPS, consider having one installed to protect your property against overflows caused by wet weather events. And remember, a CVSAN repair permit is required for installation. Plan ahead and make sure your home is ready for whatever weather comes your way. Learn more about preparing your property for wet weather and other ways to prevent sewer blockages at cvsan.org/wastewater.